In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Google Drive with a local folder on your desktop. This process is incredibly useful for those of you who want to access your files seamlessly, whether you're on your computer or using Google Drive online. First, we'll start by opening up your Google Drive desktop version. If you haven't already installed it, you'll want to head over to the Google Drive website and download the application for your operating system. Once it's installed, make sure you're logged in with your Google account to access all features smoothly. Once you have your Google Drive desktop app open, the next step is to locate the gear icon, often represented as a more options button. This icon is typically located in the upper right corner of the application window. Clicking this icon will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select Preferences. This is where you'll start customizing the settings that allow you to sync files and folders between your Google Drive and computer. After selecting Preferences, a new window will pop up on your screen. Here you'll see various options to configure your Google Drive application, but our focus will be on syncing local folders. Look for an option or button that says Add Folder. Clicking this option allows you to choose a particular folder on your computer that you want to be continuously synced with your Google Drive. This could be your Documents folder, a folder you frequently use for work, or any other folder that contains files you want to have both locally and in the cloud. Next, a file browser window will open. In this window, navigate to and select the folder you want to sync. After selecting your desired folder, you should see an option to Sync with Google Drive. Make sure to select this option so that your folder and its contents will be kept up to date between your local storage and Google Drive. Once you've set up the folder to sync, click the Done button to finalize the process. This action confirms your setting changes, and your folder will begin syncing immediately. You can now rest easy knowing your files are safely stored and accessible from anywhere. If you want to make adjustments at a later time, simply return to the Preferences menu to update your settings or add more folders to sync. Remember, syncing allows you to work offline, and once you're back online, all changes will be updated in Google Drive. And there you have it. Now you're equipped to keep your data organized and available wherever you are. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, you'll have the convenience of